Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming everyday items like a simple plastic bottle, an empty can, and an old battery into a powerful, versatile tool. I'm taking a small plastic bottle and I'm marking a circle right on its cap. I'm carefully drilling a precise hole right through the center of the cap using a step drill bit. This ensures a clean, perfectly sized opening, which is crucial for a snug fit later on. As you can see, the hole is perfectly clean and ready for our next component. Next, I've got a section of a bicycle tire inner tube with its valve stem still attached. I'm cutting the tire tube around the valve stem, making sure to leave enough material to work with. This separates the useful part from the excess rubber. I'm trimming the rubber even further to create a neat, circular piece around the valve stem. This will act as a custom-made washer, ensuring a tight seal when assembled with the bottle cap and preventing air leaks. I'm carefully disassembling the valve stem by unscrewing its various components: the cap, the rubber washer, and the metal washer. We'll need these individual parts for our custom assembly to integrate them into the plastic bottle cap. Moving on, I'm taking an empty aluminum can and marking a tie neat in the base. This precise mark is where we'll create another crucial hole, helping us maintain symmetry. Using a drill with a small bit, I'm making a clean hole in the can's base. This will allow for the integration of our conductive elements, completing a circuit later on. I'm carefully cutting the bottom sections of the aluminum can. This is how we'll get a piece of aluminum for our next step, which will serve as a reflector. I'm trimming the can's base into a neat circular disc using a pair of scissors. This disc will become a reflective element and part of the electrical circuit, focusing the heat. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. I'm preparing a small bolt and nut. I'm inserting the bolt through the central hole in the metal disc and securing it tightly with a nut. This firmly attaches the bolt to the reflective surface, which is vital for electrical conductivity. Next, I'm stripping a section of red electrical wire and threading it through the head of the bolt. I'll twist the exposed copper wire tightly around the bolt to ensure a robust electrical connection. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. To create an additional hole in our metal disc, I'm using a small piece of wood as support, then drilling through the center of the disc. This is to make space for the heating element that will eventually pass through. I'm threading the valve stem through the hole in the bottle cap. I'm carefully attaching the aluminum disc, which has the red wire connected, to the valve stem assembly. I'll use the metal washers we prepared earlier to create a watertight and airtight seal. This is crucial for the internal pressure we'll build later, ensuring stability. Then I'm screwing the entire cap assembly securely onto the plastic bottle. This creates the main housing for our new tool and its air chamber. To keep the wire firmly in place and ensure proper insulation, I'm wrapping the bottle and the wire with red electrical tape. This prevents any accidental short circuits or disconnections. I'm stripping the end of the red wire and attaching a red alligator clip. This will be our positive terminal connection to the power source, providing a secure contact point. The red alligator clip is now connected to the positive terminal of a battery. This is the first step in powering our device. I'm carefully cutting open an AA battery to extract the carbon rod from its center. This carbon rod is key to our heating element because of its high electrical resistance, allowing it to generate significant heat. I'm inserting the carbon rod into the chuck of my drill. The drill will serve as a stable handle and allow me to precisely shape the tip for concentrated heat. I'm taking a piece of sandpaper and, with the drill spinning, I'm carefully grinding the carbon rod to a sharp, pointed tip. This fine point will concentrate heat effectively for precision work. I'm inserting the sharpened carbon rod into the valve stem of our bottle assembly. The blue alligator clip attached to the blue wire is now firmly connected to the base of the carbon rod. This completes our electrical circuit. Here's our power source, a reliable 12-volt battery. It will provide the necessary current to heat our carbon rod effectively. The red alligator clip is now connected to the positive terminal of a battery. The blue alligator clip is connected to the negative terminal of the battery, completing our circuit. Now, our device is ready for action. I'm taking a piece of aluminum foil and showing how this amazing homemade tool can easily cut through it, thanks to the concentrated heat from the carbon rod. It slices through like butter. Watch this. I'm now demonstrating how effortlessly it melts through two razor blades. The heat is precisely focused, allowing for clean cuts even on tougher synthetic materials. Look at that. It melted right through the razor blade. This is proof of the incredible heat our simple tool can generate. Let's try another demonstration. I'm taking 2 lengths of blue electrical wire. I'll strip the ends of both wires, exposing the copper strands. Then I'm twisting them together, creating a point where we can observe the heating effect again. Now, I'm applying the heated carbon rod to the twisted wires. Immediately, you can see the wires glowing and melting together. This demonstrates its effectiveness as a quick soldering or joining tool. The wires are now fused, showcasing the tool's ability to join materials with ease. It's surprisingly powerful for such a simple construction. I used this homemade welder to solder this piece of aluminum to the battery. It heats up metal quickly. This shows its potential for jobs like soldering or other projects that require localized heat. I'm showing how the heated tip can be used to heat up a metal bolt. You can see it glowing red hot almost instantly. This incredible heat transfer demonstrates that this tool can be used for various applications, like loosening rusted nuts or for metalworking projects requiring localized heating. This incredible multifunctional tool, made from what most would consider trash. This DIY device proves that with a little creativity and resourcefulness, you can achieve amazing things and give new life to discarded items. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.